Yo, what is up guys, Guido here, back again with another Impala video, and in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to change your cabin air filter in your 2012 Chevy Impala, but this will work from 2006 all the way to 2013, or if you have the same W-body 9th gen platform Impala, that's either like a 2014, 2015, 2016, it will still work. This is the air filter that I'm using. I will link this one in the description below. It's a really nice budget-friendly Bosch one, and it should do the job. Now, I believe this car currently has about 52,000 miles. If I had to guess, the air filter or the cabin air filter has probably never been changed. So I'm just gonna go ahead and change it. It's very, very simple, guys. Let's just get straight into the video. All right, now the first thing that you need to do is this weather stripping here. Just go ahead and just peel that out of the way a little bit, just like that. Then you're gonna get your little body panel clip tool here, and you can see there's a little clip right in there. You're gonna just wedge that under there, just like that. And you're gonna pull this clip up here. All right, and you can see I got that clip out. You can just see it's a bad spot right here because all the water and stuff just sits in pools right there. So what happens is it makes these clips really, really brittle, and you can see it's all like snapped there and broke. So I'm gonna go ahead and probably install a new clip if I have one laying around when I go to put the stuff back together. And now there's just another clip right there that you have to pop off. All right, and you can see I got that other one out. So now this whole part right here is loose. It can just come up just like this. Gotta get it past the wiper arm right here. Just like that. And then you can see right here, this is the windshield washer line right here. So if you just kind of see right there, that little clip that's right there, you're just gonna pull down. All right, you can see it'll just pull forward like that once there's enough tension from there. And then you can see this is actually what covers the filter here. Now this just lifts up, just like that, and it'll just tuck out from the little tabs there. Just like that. And there is the filter. And what I'm gonna do real quick, just before I move this filter, I'm just gonna clean up the dust and stuff around here because it's pretty dirty. All right, you can see from the factory, they have a little pull cord here you can just pull, and I don't know if you can see how it's kind of cut right there? So it can easily slide straight out, and you can leave it bent so you don't dump all the stuff that's in this down in the blower housing here. And you can just pull it out just like that. There we go. All right, so you can see this brand new filter here is a very light, nice blue. This one is gray, so I'm not too sure what color this one was from the factory, if it was just white or what color it was. Now this one really doesn't look too bad upon glancing at, but you can see it is pretty dark and pretty black. And if you split the pleats apart, you can see all the stuff that this thing trapped inside. So it definitely needed to be replaced. So you can see all the junk that this thing caught. All right, and then here's the brand new one. We're gonna install it just in this orientation with this side down, and it's gonna just slip straight in. All right, and you can see it's completely installed and completely in place. Now time to go and put your covers back on. All right, now your little cover is just gonna go straight back on how it was. All right, now you can see our cover's back installed. Now we're just gonna take this little cowl and connect our windshield wiper hose back to the clip right. All right, so now what you're gonna do, you're just gonna get your clips and put them back in place. You can see how it just goes straight into the hole there. Push it down in there like that, and then push down the top just like that. All right, and here's the other one. Just go on the other side here, push it down in the hole. It'll fit in just like that, and then push down just like that. And now it's locked in. And just like that, you can put your trim, your rubber seal back in place, and that is how you upgrade and change out your cabin air filter in your W-body platform 2008 to 2013 Chevy Impala. Now it doesn't matter what motor you have, it's all the same air conditioning system, so it's the same process from all the way 2008 to 2013. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you guys comment, like, and subscribe, and peace.